Uses of water. Domestic uses, in homes for cleaning, bathing, washing, cooking and drinking. Industrial uses, used in factories to power machines and to make paints and dyes. Also used in pharmaceutical industries. Used in irrigation, agriculture. Water supply from natural stores. These stores are available in mountainous regions as precipitation is higher, ice melts in summer to release fresh water and many lakes are found at the bottom of mountains. Since fresh water is concentrated in the permeable rocks deep in the stores, they have to be dug and pumped through pipes. The process is less expensive and easier in areas with favorable geological conditions such as alternating rocks of permeable and impermeable rocks to trap the water in permeable rocks. Folded layer of rocks so that water can accumulate most in the downfold, permeable rocks outcropping the surface to receive new supplies of rainwater and water is stored in limestone and sandstone rocks below the water table. The water is then transferred to holding reservoirs before being pumped home. Dams. A dam is a barrier that stops or restricts the flow of water or underground streams. Reservoirs created by dams not only suppress floods but also provide water for activities such as irrigation, human consumption, industrial use, aquaculture, and navigability. Advantages of large dams. Provide and irrigate a large area. Huge electricity production. Stops flooding. Creates recreational facilities and tourist spots. Disadvantages. Large-scale evacuation of nearby villages. Destroys natural habitat. Very expensive to construct and maintain. Siltation can decrease capacity. Can affect fisheries and increase unemployment. Floods. A flood is an overflow of water that submerges land that is usually dry. Causes. Persistent raining. Plants can no longer hold moisture of more rain. Infiltration decreases as spaces between soils are full and runoff increases. Deforestation. Effects. Loss of human and animal life. Crops ruined. Houses and infrastructure destroyed. Problems of moving between places. Food shortages. Diseases can spread.